queen of the night, welcoming on the stage, the one true queen. Angel Songbird, Miss Regina Velasquez Almanza!
Nakakashokot naman ito upuan ito. Na-shokot. Sige, kuya, alalayan mo ko bilang mahalapit na ako mag 100 years old. Baka gumulong ako dito. Sige na.
Ayan, thank you. Paano nga po?
Hello! Good evening po sa inyo lahat. Good evening, sweetheart. I am so happy to be here tonight. Ano ba? May sariling buhay ba yung
Opo,
Oscar?
ito yung ano, sandali, U-turn lang ako ng malaki ha. Kasi,
Go.
Dali lang po.
Sige, ayan. Yan. Ganyan talaga yan. Yan, ayan. Yan.
Ayan, pwede na ba?
Yan, pwede na.
Okay po.
Hindi kaya nandyan si Nate? Nate,
Name!
lumabas ka dyan.
Pwede na yan, yan!
No, first of all, thank you for always getting in touch with me. Alam niyo po, nung lumipat na po si Jonalyn, she would always call me and still consider my anong tawag dyan, advice na para naman walang kakwenta-kwenta. Ang advice ko lang naman, bahala ka na, malaki ka na, ano ka ba? Kaya na ng powers mo yan. No, but I would like to personally thank ABS-CBN for giving this young lady a chance. And you know, she deserves it. She is one of the few na talagang sobra pong talented, and I really, really believe in her. And I'm so happy that you have this concert. So dami-dami tao.
Kasi alam niyo po ba, mga kaibigan, nung previous concerts ko po, nung nagko-concert pa ako sa Music, lagi akong binibenta ni ate sa audience. Sinasabi niya na, parang, you deserve to be heard sa mas malaking venue.
Oo.
Ganyan. So, now, it's happening.
Ay, hindi. May mas malaki pa dito, be. Yung katapat nito dun. Yun yung next. And may I just say that you are not only queen of the night, you are queen, period. We would like to sing this beautiful song that I think, alam niyo po
Talaga
kasi,
kayo po yung nag-spill lahat, ano?
oo nga eh, hindi kasi po, nakita ko po yung struggle ni Jonah, nakita ko siya nung ganito pa lang po siya kaliit.
At until now,
Hindi, ganito na.
umisang dangkal na po.
Isang dapat na. No, but I know how passionate you are about your career, your craft, your singing, and it shows. Hindi ba nakikita nyo, ramdam nyo, bawat nota na kinakanta. Ang pangit ng nota eh. Notes, pangit din. Kasi naman itong mga baklang to, binigyan na itong hulugan. Kasalanan nyo to. Hindi, pero diba, bawat hit ng high notes, ramdam na ramdam nyo talaga. So, I don't know what to say anymore, but I am just so proud. I am so proud of you, and you deserve this. You really deserve it. So next time, we will be there now. Maybe next year, yeah? You guys are gonna be there, right? Pumunta kayo, ha? Huwag kayong ano, ha?
Alam niyo po, wala na rin po akong masabi masyado, kundi sobrang thankful lang po ako kay Ate Reg for all the support sa lahat po ng pagmamahal talaga na pinakita niya.
Plastic
At,
yan, plastic.
Hindi po ate talaga, syempre, di lang ako maging cheesy talaga na ganito, no? Pero nagpapasalamat po ako for giving us time tonight na makasama ka po namin ngayong gabi. So, thank you so much.
My pleasure. Tsaka malaki binayad ng ABS-CBN. Tsaka yung asawa ko nandun na raw, so malaki daw babayad.
Ito may, ang tanong na naman.
Oh.
Ang tanong na naman. Ayoko naman galing sa akin kasi baka mamaya mabash na naman ako.
Sino naman ang magbabash sa'yo? Hayaan mo na yung mga bash. Anyway, let's sing this beautiful song. Na feeling ko talagang ito po talaga yung essence. If you have a dream, there is nothing you can't do. If you believe in yourself, you believe in the Lord, anything is possible.
I used to think that I could not go on, and life was nothing but an awful song. But now I know that true love, I'm leaning on the everlasting. If I can see it, then I can do it.
pabulaklak. Grabe naman. Maraming salamat po ulit sa inyong lahat. Maraming. Pusa naman yung nagbibinata ba ako? Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta niyo kay Jonalyn. Sana po magkita-kita tayo next year sa Araneta.
Wow!
I love you, sweetheart. Congratulations. Have a great night. Ladies and gentlemen, hail to your queen, Jonah!
Once again, Miss Regine Velasquez Alcázar.
Turn your world around. Love is here to take your feet off the ground. Smile your pretty face. The world can't stop you